Welcome to Capacitec. Here is a brief introduction to the industries we serve. Capacitec is an ISO 9001-2015 certified designer and manufacturer of non-contact capacitive displacement sensors, gap sensor wands, and parallelism measurement instruments. We specialize in difficult applications using custom sensors matched to standard amplifiers and integrated with embedded software applications for OEMs. Our solutions are used across many industries, including aerospace, automotive, slot die coating and printing, and extreme environments. This includes high temperature, cryogenic, power generation, and semiconductor applications. Our application library includes amplifiers, Gapman portable gap sensors, slot die coater gap sensors, and disc brake wear analysis systems. To learn more about our products, contact us today, call us, email sales@capacitec.com, or visit www.capacitec.com